Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll go step by step to download and install the Epic Games Launcher. Why? Because with the Epic Games Store, you can grab amazing free games every week, and who knows, maybe even Grand Theft Auto V6 someday. Yes, Epic Games is the same store that previously gave away Grand Theft Auto 5 for free, so make sure you don't miss out. Stick around until the end of this video, where I'll show you a game I already claimed in my library. Let's dive right in. To get started, open any web browser and search for Epic Games Store. In the search results, you'll find the official Epic Games Store link. Click on it. Once you're on the store page, you'll notice a treasure trove of games. Some are paid and some are free. Yes, free. But before we start adding those games to our library, we need to grab the Epic Games Launcher. You can find the download button right at the top right corner of the page. Once the download is complete, open the installation file. Installing is super easy. I usually stick with the default location on my C drive, but feel free to choose any location you prefer. Click Install, and in just a few seconds, your launcher will be ready to go. Simple, right? Now, after downloading the launcher, the store will update itself. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so sit tight. Once everything is installed, it's time to sign in to your account. During this step, a web helper might pop up. Don't worry, just allow it. For my sign-in, I'll choose Google, which will take me to my browser to complete the process. From there, I'll select my account and continue. After signing in, you can close the browser and return to the launcher. In my case, the launcher is asking for an extra layer of security. This is for your protection, so I'll verify it quickly. Next, you'll need to enter a few details like your date of birth and the current email linked to your account. And that's it. Your Epic Games Store is now ready to use. Do note that the steps may vary slightly if you're a new user versus someone returning to their account, but it's all very simple to follow. Once you're in, head over to the Library tab. This is where all the games you own are collected. Now, here's the exciting part. I didn't buy any of these games. Yes, that's right. Epic Games Store provides many of them for free. For example, they've even given away Grand Theft Auto 5. Just imagine what other amazing games might show up next, like maybe GTA 6. To install a game, simply click on it, follow the prompts, and you're ready to play. And that's it. You're all set. Now you can jump into the Epic Games Store, explore their incredible library, and start claiming those free games. So don't wait. Get the launcher and start building your library today. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. Let's get ready for more amazing free games, maybe even GTA 6.